You've seen it. It's getting harder to buy a home. You can see it on TikTok, the videos, the articles, all of that. This right here is going to be the #1 home buying hack moving forward for a lot of age groups, millennials, Gen Zs, alphas, even those that are older, which is get a roommate. In this video, I'm gonna break down everything you should think about with home buying and using a roommate and what your options are. You need to get a roommate to maybe help with the cost of the mortgage payment, make it more affordable. If you're a single person or even in a relationship or a couple and you buy a 3-bedroom home, you can easily rent out one of those bedrooms because there's gonna be a lot of friends who need some type of affordable housing option also. So first is just getting a roommate to help with the mortgage payment, which is renting out that room. Make sure you have them sign a lease, talk to an expert on stuff like this. Make sure it's somebody that you trust, get a security deposit, anything that you would deal with if you were renting yourself. After that, you can look at buying a home with that roommate. Maybe it's 2 best friends. You know, different than the obvious choice, which is boyfriend, girlfriend, married couple, partners, all of those things, is maybe you buy with a best friend. Maybe it's the first home. And then come to an agreement with what you're gonna do with that home over time. And it should be in writing. It should be a legal document, which is, hey, if one of us wants to sell, here's the buyout option. Or both of us agree to live in the home for 2 years, then rent it out, and then each of you buy your own home, maybe as you start family. And so you can do that with anybody. It does not need to be a relative, does not need to be somebody you need to be in a relationship with. It could be a cousin. You could buy a home with your mom and both of you decide to move in together. We really want to think outside the box on this because the truth of the matter is owning a home is the #1 way to become wealthy, to increase your wealth. Not taking it at face value of, oh, I can no longer buy because I'm a millennial, I'm a Gen Z, or I read this online. You can get it done. Figure out how to make it as easy as possible on you. You could also have a cosigner, so your parents could cosign on the loan with you. That could help you qualify. You could get a gift from family, relatives, fiance, and use that toward the process. If you're getting a roommate, maybe they give you money in advance to help with your down payment. But everything is changing. As home prices increase more in value and making it a little bit more difficult, you've got to figure out a way to make it happen. And this hack right here is going to become a bigger deal. It already is becoming a bigger deal where more people are buying homes with people outside of their spouses. And so you're going to start to see more and more of that. Be prepared. Maybe one is looking at buying the home with the person. Maybe it's you buying it on your own with getting a gift from family, a cosigner, saving, or just on your own, and then getting a roommate to rent out that room or 2 rooms, making it way more affordable for you and making it easier. So not only is it something you think about, it's also something you want to plan for and come up with that plan and map it out. Come to an agreement with everybody on any one of these options that you're doing. So that right there is the #1 home buying hack you're going to start to see into the future for all generations. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, I'd love to be your lender and stick around for this next video. Think you're going to like it.